Heading down I-75, no question, Bowling Green is young across the board. The offensive line in particular, unit composed of 11 underclassmen who will look to the lone veteran Sam Neverov. He is never off the field, entering his 5th season. He has played all 5 games in the shortened season a year ago. Now, despite that youth factor, the Falcons feel confident in the talent they have up front, using last year as a learning experience.
We are young, and still not where we want to be. We had a staff meeting. We really think if we bring in 3 more older players next year, we're finally going to have depth at that position. And because it's talented, it's just young. You know, these guys, these front guys right now should be spending another year in the weight room, getting big and strong and learning how to play. Well, they're learning how to play on the fly, and that's not easy. So it's a bunch of rookies up there right now, and it is what it is. We need to get these guys some age, and we need to keep developing that position.
They're young, but like I said, they got great experience last season, and that gives me all the confidence in the world, and they're busting their tails, and we're going to have a great month here, and that will give me a lot of confidence going forward.